Hi everybody, I have been asked to do some more specific cello technique related videos. This one in particular about shifting, which I'm going to divide into more than one video. There's some good videos out there on shifting. This is hopefully my contribution to them. I like to start shifting by going to harmonics. So we first then have to figure out, well, what are harmonics? Maybe you know where those are and what those are, and maybe you don't. The one that we often start with is called the halfway harmonic, because it's precisely half the length of the string. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch the string very lightly with a finger, just barely touch it. And I'm going to move my bow light and fast, and maybe closer to the bridge than you normally would. So find that spot. It's about, for me, it's about a hand's worth if my thumb is behind the back of the neck, and that's where those are. It's the #1 landmark on the cello, halfway harmonic. It's a great one to know. And then there's also the 1/3 harmonic, which is right where the neck starts to turn, and that gives you those pitches. 1/3 harmonic, because it's exactly 1/3 of the length of the string from there to there. And you'll play it light and fast, barely touching the string. Look, it takes a little bit of getting used to these harmonics, but it's worth it. They're good locations to know, and I think it's great to start out by shifting with harmonics. So you could even start by just shifting between those two harmonics. Back and forth on the various strings. But at any rate, at some point, if you are new to shifting, then the one position you probably know is first position. So we can take the various pitches, the various fingers in first position on each of the strings and practice. Let's practice shifting to the 1/3 harmonic. So I might go 1 to 1, 2 to 1. So all I'm doing is I'm doing each of the fingerings in first position that I know, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm always shifting to first finger for now on that 1/3 harmonic, and you try it on other strings as well, etc., or and just make a nice little exercise out of it. You'll notice that you are going from a stopped string where the string is all the way down, and you are lightening up the hand as you go to barely touch the string at that harmonic. And that's an extremely important reason why this is my favorite way to first start teaching shifting, is because we're teaching the hand to lighten up, to release the string, at least to a degree, as we move the hand. So that's it. That's all installment 1 is. Moving the hand up to these 1/3 harmonics, or the halfway harmonic if you want. Find the harmonics and then move among them, and you're training your elbow and your arm as a whole to shift. So to be continued in installment 2.